Hello staff and students again, it's Andrew here, and we're now going to have a little chat about where are things going in this Maphutseng area and with this program. So the future does hold some real possibilities. We're going to try and think of ways in which we can scale up some of the activities that we're doing, or bring in new ones that will have a much more focused impact in the area. So I've got two friends here who are going to help us understand a couple of these ideas. So here we have Ntate Mafamo, and here we have Ntate Komiti. And so Mafamo, can you tell us one of the ideas that that we're going to start looking at in this area?
Yep. We have a lot of ideas around this area, as Andrew. We've been going around, you've seen other clips. The idea behind this area is to scale up. Have you seen that there is need to reach out more and also to assist more in communities and farmers? You have seen the chicken production and the eggs down there where we took the first clip, and we want to make sure that all the facilities are available for this particular program. That we have the refrigerator where we are able to store the chickens after we have slaughtered, so that they can reach the market at the time that we want. We also need to scale up the number of chickens that we are rearing per time frame that we are rearing them. That is, the first batch should be, we want to scale it up so that when we get to the second batch like that, we are able to produce as many eggs and as many chickens as possible. So this is the idea that we have. We also want to train more farmers. Have you seen Dr. Victor that we are talking to? He's just one managing a couple of workers here. We want to train more so that we can reach more households within this area and being able to help more children. As we have seen, there is a high level of vulnerability around children in this area. So scaling up the project, bringing in new ideas like having a refrigerator, having an abattoir where we slaughter the chickens, and also having a proper market channel that we will train the communities on in order to be able to get the eggs to the market timely. So these are the ideas that we have around this area.
Okay, so that's fantastic. So there's a range of other income activities as well, but I want to switch now to Komiti and get him to tell us a little bit about quite an exciting project with technology. So Komiti, can you tell us a little bit about this new idea?
Yes, we here in Maphutseng, we have areas where there is no water, like here we are, there is no water in this area, but there are some areas where there is excessive water, which we find that water can be more useful if it's treated to the community. There are some wells in other areas of Maphutseng where they are not even protected. So our plan is to take the water, bottle it. We are now having the technician from South Africa who is going to assess our water so that we can bottle the water. That's the idea.
That's fantastic. So we're looking at expertise. We want to bring expertise in, use it to advance and use more technological approaches to what we're doing, and this will set up businesses in the community. So World Vision's behind all this, and our supporters are behind are contributing into all this kind of activity. So now you've had a look at children and the particular circumstances of very many children in this place. You've looked at some of the things that the community are doing now that are becoming very successful, and now we're telling you about some of the plans that we have for the future. So we want to thank you again for your support, and maybe you'd like to support us as we go into these new ventures in the future. Thank you very much.